What a nice story there.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan. Well, let's talk about this week. We are expecting some rain, much needed rain.
Absolutely, yeah. So the next several days, Phil, through about Thursday is when we could see a couple of soaking downpours in the area. Nothing severe at the moment, but at least we have some rain to talk about because it's drought, extreme drought from here to Bandera to Kerrville to across the hill country. It's really, really bad, and we do need a lot of rain in the area. Matter of fact, let's start there. And what we're tracking on this Sunday night as we wrap up the last weekend of January, what we're tracking is some pretty good rain. As a matter of fact, anywhere from here to Florida towards the Midwest, we're looking at a above average rainfall, and that's good news because January historically is a pretty wet month, and especially here in San Antonio, we typically pick up about a couple of inches of rain, and I think we'll be matching that by the end of the month. More on that in a second. First, temperatures out the door. Wrapping up Sunday, it's chilly. We had a cold front earlier today around 1 o'clock. You know, before that we hit 72 for a high. Now we're at 52. So a pretty nice cool down behind this frontal boundary. Northeast winds are a little breezy, moving around 10 to 15 miles an hour, mostly cloudy skies. We will see some drizzle overnight. But here's a look at temperatures across the region. 48 at Kerrville, 46 at Rock Springs, 58 at Del Rio, 60 at Pearsall. Because of cloud cover, we're not going to see a huge dip in temperatures. We'll bottom out around 46 in the city, so cold tomorrow morning as you step out. Middle to lower 40s in the hill country, but no freezing temperatures, no freezing weather expected. Matter of fact, over the next 7 days, no freezing weather expected here in the area. Now here's the hour by hour. There will be some pockets of very light rain tomorrow morning, just like this morning, just not as humid. It was very tropical this morning. Tomorrow early, cold, middle to upper 40s in the area and some drizzle. And then tomorrow's highs, they don't really top out very quickly. I mean, you can see tomorrow's high 51, 48 tomorrow's high in Bernie. It's going to be a cold and cloudy and damp day to kick off the new week. 53 degrees, the high temperature at Floresville, and about that in Del Rio and Eagle Pass under cloudy skies. Now, fast forwarding through tomorrow, through Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, our next weather system is taking shape. Now it's moving through the four corners, anywhere from Arizona to New Mexico. What that's going to do is send in energy on this eastern side of low pressure. And what this will do is send in little short waves, is what we call it in meteorology. And those are little ripples in the atmosphere and kind of touch off a couple of widely scattered showers tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday night. This low moves across the state, and that may spark off a couple of downpours in the area. Anywhere from here to Dallas, even towards Arkansas and Louisiana, there may be an elevated flooding threat by Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. We could see a couple of good downpours by Thursday, and I think all the moisture is fast moving. By about Friday morning, we are clear, it's sunny, and by the weekend, highs in the 60s and very sunny skies. In the meantime, how much rain are we looking at? I would say anywhere from I-45 to I-20, probably like 3 to 4 inches anywhere northeast of San Antonio. In our local area, probably about 1 to 2 between now and about Thursday night. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Next several days, cloudy, damp, and warming up. Tomorrow, though, it stays cold, a high of only 51. Cloudy, drizzle, and highs in the lower 50s. 66 Tuesday. Warming up by Wednesday, but every day there's a chance for rain. Through Thursday is our best chance at seeing a couple of storms and heavy downpours by Friday. A little cooler, mornings back in the 40s, highs in the 60s, and even near 70 on Saturday and Sunday as we welcome February in with more mild and seasonal weather by Tuesday and Wednesday.